NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.3, Question 4. Find the value of A if the distance between the points A -3, -14 and B A -5 is 9 units. Let us find the answer. We are given 2 points A -3, -14 and B A -5. And the distance between the points A and B is 9 units. We need to find the value of A. Let us consider point A as x1, y1 and point B as x2, y2. Then the formula for the distance between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to, what is the given distance? It is 9 units. Now let us substitute point A and point B in the distance formula. x2 is A minus x1 is -3 whole square plus y2 is -5 minus y1 is -14 whole square, which is equal to 9. Root over A minus of -3 is A plus 3 whole square plus -5 plus 14 is 9 whole square, which is equal to 9. Now let us square on both the sides. Upon squaring on both the sides, on the left hand side, square root and square gets cancelled and we will have A plus 3 whole square plus 9 square equal to, upon squaring on the right hand side we get 9 square. A plus 3 whole square plus 9 square minus 9 square is equal to 0. We can cancel plus 9 square and minus 9 square and we are left with A plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. That implies A plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to -3. Therefore, our final answer is the value of A is -3.